How to change the size of key blank. This function is practical and useful. The first is Honda key H166. The width is 820. The second is Cherry. The width is 780. The third is Chevrolet Opel H100. The width is 635. We can change the wide one into the narrow. The first one can be changed into the second and third, but the second can be changed into the third one. The first step is to connect the machine by Bluetooth. Here is Bluetooth switch. Search Bluetooth. Click Bluetooth series number. A couple of seconds. Select the key blank we want to change. For instance, we want H100 key blank. It will show us the width of H100, 635. Let's check and measure the size. Almost 335. This is the key size that I need. How to get it? Step by step. At first, back to home page. Enter generate the key type. Select modify key, and then modify width. We put the size that we need, 335. And then click OK. Install another key blank depending on getting picture. If only any key size is wider than this key. Both of two key blank is okay. This size is 780, wider than H100. Pay attention to the location. If it's ready, click Continue. Finish cutting both sides. Measure the size. Almost. Try the original one. Same. Finally, put into the box.